Lefty. That's one.
Lefty.
Keep going. Keep going.
Right. Right. Lefty. Did it.
Oh, you missed.
And then like this. Did it.
That almost came back and hit you in the head.
Did it.
Watch it, here it comes.
Daddy. Daddy with 2 hands is did it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right. Right. And like this.
Yeah, switch back to left. Oh, that's upside down. Switch back to left.
Daddy, that's funny.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. That came right at me that time.
Look at that.
Ooh. Dude. Look how hard you hit it. What?
Daddy, I want to play basketball.
Strike one.
Daddy, I can do
You
basketball.
want to do basketball?
Daddy, do you want to see this one?
Yeah. Ooh, you choked up a lot on that time.
What about this
Oh,
choke?
that's ultra choke up. Can you even hit it? I didn't think so. That's like ultra choke up. You have no bat to hit it with. Hey, don't do that, Christian. That'll fall in your hands, babe. It might hit me.
This is all to choke up too. Oh, I'll get that. Daddy, do you want to see him hit it with that?
The bat handle?
That one more miss and he's out.
Okay.
That one more miss and he's out.
Okay, then you can switch to thunder. Oh, you hit it.
Right.
Oh, that's it. Oh, look at that.
Hit it.
I know you did. Left hand. Perfect. You want to go to thunder now? Switch to the thunder bat? Ooh, try to hit that while it's moving. Ooh, dude, good job, dude.
I'm gonna use the soccer ball. I'm gonna
Hey,
use the soccer
hey, let's
ball.
put that on the tee. Go put that on the tee and hit it. Get your stance.
I cannot hit the tee now.
All right, swing as hard as you can. Hit it. Uh-oh.
Huh? Huh?
Go back to the underload.
Watch this, Daddy. That's what you forget. Now watch this one. Bullseye! Watch this one.
Okay, last one.